Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 2-inch binder spine inserts available on the market. The Avery binder spine inserts, specifically designed for 2-inch ring binders with a 2.8-inch spine width. If you're someone who loves keeping things organized and professional, these inserts are made just for you. These Avery inserts come in a pack of 20 and are crafted from bright white cardstock, making them ideal for printing clear, crisp labels. Whether you're using a laser or inkjet printer, the high-quality cardstock ensures your text and designs come out vibrant and easy to read. One of the standout features is the perfect fit for 2-inch ring binders that have a spine width of 2.8 inches, which is slightly wider than typical inserts, ensuring a snug and neat appearance on your binder spine. What sets these spine inserts apart is the micro-perforated design. This means each sheet can be folded precisely and separated easily without tearing or fraying, which is great for customizing your organization on the fly. The cardstock itself is firm, so inserting it into the binder spine sleeve is effortless and the inserts maintain their shape without bending or curling over time. Avery also offers a free online template that makes customization super easy. You can personalize your binder spine with a variety of fonts and designs, giving you a professional look whether you're organizing work documents, school projects, or personal files. This digital tool helps you create a spine insert that fits perfectly and looks clean, saving you time and hassle. Aside from the ease of customization, these inserts are perfect for a variety of settings: home, school, or office. The clean white cardstock complements any binder color, providing a uniform, polished look. And since there are 20 inserts in each pack, you have plenty to organize multiple binders or refresh your existing ones. Considering pricing, the Avery binder spine inserts are reasonably priced, offering great value for quality and functionality. While there might be cheaper options out there, the reliability and finish of these inserts justify the investment, especially if presentation and durability matter to you. In summary, if you want to elevate the way you organize your binders, the Avery binder spine inserts for 2-inch ring binders are a smart choice. They offer excellent print quality, perfect sizing, easy separation, and a professional look with the help of free customization tools. Whether it's for your office reports, school notes, or personal projects, these spine inserts help keep everything clearly labeled and easy to find. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.